Animal husbandry. Along with growing crops, farmers also keep some animals on their farm. Caring for these animals and managing them is called animal husbandry. In Maharashtra, for many people, the main occupation is agriculture and animal husbandry is the additional thing that they do. Farmers keep animals like cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, hens, etc. These animals provide milk, meat and eggs. Leather and wool are also obtained from animals. Farmers can also have animals like donkeys, oxen, bulls and horses. Some animals are used for transporting things. Some animals are used to do farm work. Some people do not farm. They just look after animals like goats or sheep. It is their main job. Such people are called dhangars or shepherds. Their main occupation is looking after their flock. They do not do any farming. Some people keep only hens. These hens lay eggs which the people sell. Such places are known as poultry farms. Ducks and emus are also kept by farmers for their eggs and meat. The government of Maharashtra has a department of animal husbandry. The department tries to find out ways of improving the health of the animals and to make them stronger. It helps to control and stop diseases of animals. It tries to let people understand what better ways there are to look after animals. It also tries to get poor people involved in animal husbandry so that they can earn money.